Hello friends, today's discussion is about a topic which most of the students find difficult, and the topic is subtraction. We know subtraction are of two types, without borrowing and with borrowing. Without borrowing doesn't create that much problem. 6 minus 2 we get 4, 7 minus 3 also we get 4. So this is okay. Most of the students are able to do this. But when it comes to with borrowing, means suppose the units place here is less and here it is more. So we have to borrow. So here is the main problem that most of the students face. Now we will see, is there any method such that we need not borrow and do this problem without borrowing and solve this problem. Today we will see a method by which we can solve these types of question without borrowing. Yes, there is a method in Vedic maths. It's called as the base complement method. Now using this method, we can solve any subtraction problem without borrowing. For this, we have to remember this set, base complement. The base is 10. Now let's see what is complement here. 9, the complement of 9 is 1. The complement of 8 is 2. Complement of 7 is 3. 6 is 4. 5 is 5, and similarly complement of 4 is 6, complement of 3 is 7, 2 is 8, 1 is 9. This one you have to remember. This is the most important thing here. To do this method, this set we have to remember. We can easily remember, like 9 plus 1 is 10, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 5 plus 5 is also 10. So we are getting the base as 10. So we have to see that we have to remember this to solve using Vedic method. That's the base complement method. We can say it like 9 and 1 are friends, 8 and 2 are friends, 7 and 3 are friends, 6 and 4 are friends, 5 and 5 are friends. So when I say the friend of 9, it will be 1, and when I say friend of 1, it will be 9. So we are going to use this to solve our question. Let's take this question. 72 minus 36. So we will first use the usual method that we use in our class, then we will go for the base complement method. Okay, so usual method, that is with borrowing. So 2 minus 6 cannot be done because we cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number here. So we will borrow. So 2 will borrow from 7. So there are 7 tens. So this becomes 6 because it will give 1 tens to 2. So 1 tens and 2, it becomes now 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So we get the answer as 36. Okay, it's an easy one. But here when you are subtracting 12 and 6, some students find it difficult. They are unable to subtract a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number directly. So here is the problem where most of the students face in borrowing. So we will find a way such that they need not borrow here. So for that we will use the base complement method. Before starting, we have to remember some instruction here. So here first thing, we will start from left to right. You can see here we are going from right to left here, but in this method from left to right. And we have to remember the complements. It's the most important thing here. So the complements for 9 it is 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5. So these are the complements you have to remember. So let's start. Now we have 7, 7 minus, as I told, from right hand side. Sorry, it's the left hand side. So from left to right. So 7 minus 3, 4. Now next thing. Here this is small, this is a bigger one. So here whenever you are finding a set like this, small minus big, decrease this one by 1. So 4 less 1 becomes 3 now, because small minus big it is there, so we are decreasing it by 1. Okay. Next, the next step is complement of 6, that is the friend of 6. Who is the friend of 6? The friend of 6 is 4. So we will add the friend of 6 with 2. So the friend of 6 is 4. 4 plus 2, we get 6. Again, friend of 6 will be 4. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. So answer is 3, here 6. It is 36. So here we can see we did not borrow and have done this sum. Now let's see another sum like this. Let us take 82 minus suppose 39. Same thing from left to right. 8 minus 3, 5. Small minus big is there. So when this set comes, we have to make this as 4. 5 less 1 becomes 4 now. So we are just subtracting 1, just less 1. So now the next step is complement of 9. 9's complement is 1. So 9's complement we will add to 2. So 9's complement is 1. 1 plus 2 we get 3. So the answer becomes 43. In this way we can do any subtraction of any digit. Let's see more questions like this. So the first one is 60 minus 29. We have taken 2-digit numbers, then we'll take 3-digit, then we'll take 4-digit, and we use the same base complement method. So let's start with 60 minus 29. Same thing from left to right. So when we go from left to right, first is I have 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. It's okay. Then we have a small minus big. So I told you whenever you are getting this set small minus big, we will subtract 1 from 4. So 4 minus 1, 3. Next, after that 9's complement. Complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So here complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. So the answer is 31. Here you can see we have not borrowed at all. Let's take another example from left to right. First thing, 5 minus 2, 3. Then we have a set, small minus big set. So we will 3 becomes now 2. Complement of 6 is 4. Complement of 6, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. After that, next set, again small minus big. So this 8 becomes 7 now. Next, complement of 7. Complement of 7 is 3. 3 plus 3 becomes 6. So the answer is 276. So without borrowing we have done this. Let's do this one. So here we have 6 minus 4 from left to right. 6 minus 4 is 2. After that we have a small minus big. So 2 becomes 1. Then 1 minus 5 we cannot do. So 5 complement. Complement of 5 is 5. So 5 plus 1 we have 6. Next, 2 minus 8 again small minus big. So this becomes 5. Complement of 8 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Again next place, same thing, small minus big we cannot do. So 4 becomes 3. And complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 3, 4. So the answer is 1534. So we'll take some large numbers. The first one, we can see here it is a 5-digit number. So the same thing will proceed from left to right. So first we have 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. The next set, in the next place we have small minus big. So we have done it already earlier. So small minus big whenever it is there, 3 will become now 2. And next thing, complement of 9. Complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 3 we have 4. After that we have big minus small. So remember, whenever big minus small is there, don't subtract 1 from here. So 4 will be 4 as it is. So 7 minus 5 we have 2. Next one is small minus big. So 2 becomes now 1. 7's complement is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Next again small minus big. So 9 becomes now 8. And 8's complement here. 8 complement is 2. 2 plus 4, 6. So our answer becomes now this 24,186. So without borrowing we have done this. Now let's take one more large number. It's a 7-digit number now. So 6 minus 4, same thing from left to right. Remember, here we are going left to right. So 6 minus 4, 2. Now here the problem is again small minus big. So 2 becomes now 1. Here we have 1 minus 5. So the complement of 5 is 5. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6. Again small minus big. So this becomes 5. Complement of 3 is 7. So 7 plus 0, 7. Again small minus big. So 7 becomes 6. 8's complement is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Again 3 becomes 2. Complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. After that, see here, big minus small. So no need to do anything. 1 will be 1 as it is. 5 minus 3 is 2. Here you have to be careful. We will subtract 1 only when we have a small minus big. When big minus small is there, whatever number we get, the same thing will put it down. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Then we have small minus big. So this 2 becomes 1. Complement of 7 is 3. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. We've got the answer. Now let's see one more. Here. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 0 minus 8 we cannot do. So 1. So 8's complement is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Again 0 minus 7 we cannot do. This becomes 1. 7's complement is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. Again we cannot do. 0 minus 6 is there. So 3 becomes 2. Complement of 6 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Again 0 minus 5 we cannot do. So 4 becomes 3. 5's complement is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 minus 3 we cannot do. So 5 becomes 4. Complement of 3 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. So in this way we get the answer. So by using base complement method, we can subtract any large number, the number be of any digits. We can subtract using base complement method. So only things you have to remember, we have to move from left to right and we have to remember the complements. So friend of 9 is 1, friend of 8 2, 7 and 3 are friends, 6 and 4 are friends, and 5 friend with 5. So if this much we remember, this total subtraction method becomes very much easy. Thank you and keep exploring.